Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a card appear. To begin, you need to grasp the fundamental principles of card magic, which involve creating an illusion of impossibility. Regular practice of sleight of hand techniques is crucial for developing the dexterity required. Selecting the appropriate playing cards, often standard bicycle brand, can significantly impact the ease and effectiveness of your trick. Focus on smooth, natural movements to enhance the deception. This foundational work sets the stage for a truly astonishing performance. Mastering essential sleight of hand techniques is paramount for any card appearance. The palm, for instance, allows you to conceal a card in your hand, making it seem to vanish or appear. Learning the classic pass enables you to secretly move a card from one position to another within the deck, often in less than 1 second. Additionally, practicing the top change allows for a quick, deceptive switch of a card on top of the deck. These skills form the backbone of many impressive card illusions. Effective presentation and misdirection are just as vital as the technical moves. Misdirection is the art of guiding your audience's attention away from the secret action, often for a crucial 2 to 3 seconds. Developing a compelling patter or spoken narrative keeps them engaged and focused on your story. Maintaining strong eye contact and a confident demeanor throughout your performance reinforces the illusion, making the impossible seem real. These elements elevate a trick into true magic. Consistent practice is key to perfecting your card appearance. Practice in front of a mirror to meticulously refine your movements and ensure they appear natural from every angle. Performing for friends and family provides invaluable experience and helps you build confidence in a live setting. Always be prepared for unexpected situations, like a dropped card, and have a backup plan. With dedication, you can master this captivating illusion and amaze any audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.